Right, so 3 variations of the same G2700 HD Plus Extra, which is the lower boom. The machine weighs about 5,800 pounds. It'll have a tipping load of about 6,300 pounds. So what is tipping load? There's breakout force, there's tipping load, there's lift capacities. Tipping load is when that boom is straight out and horizontal, and you're hanging the weight directly off the plate, and the amount of weight it takes to tip up that back end. It's a universal measurement among all brands, but just to give you some clarity on that one, that's what that is. The Extra has a lower center of gravity, a lower boom, which allows for that incredible lifting capacity. This one is an open station unit, and it has some Ag standard tires, which are really wide and balloony. So the European design is naturally a little narrower. So what we do is we bring these big balloon tires on here, extend the mud flaps a little bit, or the fender flares a little bit, and we load them with maybe rim guard or maybe foam film, but get the weight down. So all the weight and the ballast is glued to the ground, makes these incredibly stable. So this one is about 60 inches wide. Sliding over to this setup, this is a cab unit, and this one you can see has some narrower Ag standard tires on it. And these are just measuring, when you take a tape measure and throw it all the way on there, you're just a little under 46 inches. That makes it ideal for sidewalk applications. Put a 48-inch V-plow on there. We represent the HLA brand here at MTE, but any brand will go on there because it is a universal skid steer attach. We can also run blowers and snow blowers and brooms and whatever you want, because we have 21-gallon high flow and a 13.5 gallon per minute standard flow on the machines. So you can use just about any kind of attachment on these. This one's narrowed up. Again, loaded tires make it real stable, so you're not tipping over when you're going on off sidewalks. And then a third variation of the same machine has the X-Track tires. And if you look closely at the X-Track tires, this tire has got a lot of flexibility to it, so it really grips, kind of like your skin has the lines in it, and when you grab things, it grips. The same concept applies here. So again, we load these up, we add about 200 to 300 pounds per tire. We glue it right to the ground. This one is about 54 inches wide, and is phenomenal for general purpose use or for snow removal if you need that extra traction. You can get 2 sets of tires and have the best of both worlds for a municipality or a school district or anybody running sidewalks. But just an unbelievable amount of lifting capability, again, among these 3 variations. And spoiler alert, there is a tele boom coming that is based off of the Extra frame. So we're going to have an extendable telescopic boom coming